Hello, 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 my people. Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, I am trying to organize all this goodies you see right there. Okay, because I'm trying to make my life easier when I try to make videos for y'all. Okay. Hello, fanatique mwen yo. Bienvenue encore dans channel ou dans vidéo ça. Moi pral montrer nous comment moi ap organiser ou bien ranger tout cuillère ça yo nou là. Moi utiliser yo les m'a fait vidéo ranger table. OK? Continuez regarder. Okay guys, I ordered those drawers organizers from Walmart to organize my utensils. Okay? Keep watching. Okay, all of those leftovers are not going to live in my house anymore. They do not have a room in my house anymore. So therefore, they need to go. They go into my to-go pile. This is a beautiful set. I don't know what I did with the spoons. Those need to be polished. They're horrible. Okay, back to my beauty pile here. Those are 2 sets of 8, so therefore I have to put the spoons, the forks, the knives on a different little section here because there are a lot. I used to use those sets to entertain people. I used to do that a lot. You heard me right, a lot, yes. My channel is not and will not be an only tablescape channel. Okay? Why over the years I accumulated all of those beautiful utensils, napkin rings, coasters, and a bunch of plate sets too. It's either I get rid of them all or I start filming more tablescape for you guys. What you guys think?
Every little thing about you, don't want to burden you, so I'm out. Tear my heart apart, tell the world to start acting normal. My mind feels unwell, break this awful spell. Hear me out, come down, so that we can lay still for a while. Hand me a smile. I know we've tried too many times now. Tear my heart apart, tell the world to start acting normal. My mind feels unwell, break this awful spell. How are we gonna fight if we can't stand up? How are we gonna conquer this? tell the world to start acting normal. My mind feels unwell. Break this awful spell. Oh, tear my heart apart. Tell the world to start acting normal. My mind feels unwell. Break this awful spell. How are we gonna fight? How are we gonna conquer this? You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care, I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me.
Okay, guys, this is it for today. Since I knew I was going to get rid of a lot of my utensils and napkin rings, I did not think I will run out of space. So therefore, I will have to order another storage drawers from Amazon, and I will add another clip for you guys in my next video. I did a two pile here, keep pile and a to go pile. The one on the left is a to go pile. The one on the right is my keep pile. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.